16 rods out. We shotgunning.
Okay, now stop reeling, now just lift. Just keep lifting straight up, straight up, straight up. Too much.
Behind you, Lamar. There's another one. There's another one going off. Go ahead, swing it, man. I'll grab it.
There's a 2-pounder. Got it.
What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and today is day 2 of the Frazier and I coming out here fishing Lake Crescent. Today we are on the water with the Crappie Authority, Todd Bristol.
Hey, folks.
And of course, you know, we got the Frazier here.
Hello, hello.
We done put a couple of fish in the boat today. The Crappie Authority, I'll put a link to the Facebook page for the Crappie Authority along with the phone number. So if you are on Lake Crescent, come out here, check out Mike Barnett to come out here and catch some of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. Day 2 of our Florida Lake Crescent trip. So let's see how we do on this episode of There's a Fish On. Hold on, y'all. Where you go? Where you go? We thought it was gonna be one. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. Strike out.
We knew you weren't going to strike out. Here you go. Here. I need to get a minnow for him.
Oh, sorry. Is this rattling up here? Something up here rattling?
Might be just walking around.
Oh,
There is one rattling there. Lift it. Got it. There you go. Straight up.
Oh, that was small though. Did you see it?
I didn't see it.
It ain't a crappie. Come on, baby. Yep, there's a gar. Ugly fish, ugly fish. That's that, what were we talking about? That brawl? That's the brawl.
What's your knife?
So, out here today, we doing some, y'all know I call this lazy man fishing. This is, we got 16 rods out on the boat. We're using a variety of different jigs, and we are tipping these jigs with minnows. So far, we got 6 fish in the boat. 6 fish in the boat. We're looking to catch it. We only have 44 more to go, and it's a 2-man limit, but we got 3 men, so we got 75 minus 6, 69 more fish to go. Thank you, sir. Uh-oh, I got it. She a little beat up, but she gonna have worse cuts on her than this one.
Well, them cuts ain't nothing right there.
Yeah, them cuts ain't nothing. Them cuts are what they call them, skin deep. We cutting to the bone.
All the way to the bone.
Thank you, sir. It's a fish. It's crappie.
One that we want, huh?
She just got some backbone to her. Uh-oh. God, dog.
Oh,
Nope.
no. Lost it. Oh, no, I ain't.
No, it broke off. It was a gar. It was a gar.
We don't call it a gar.
Well,
Make you feel better.
crappie don't cut the lines.
No. It'd make you feel better to call it a gar anyway. That one was a gar, people.
Another foul ball.
Feel like a good one?
Yeah, he's back there a bit. He ain't really pulling. I'm feeling some.
Well, the next time he gets hooked into a garter, we'll let you.
Right there.
You can fight that thing.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
He's breaking water now, so let's see what we got.
That's
Oh,
a
yeah,
good
that's
one.
a
A
good one.
2-pounder.
I'm gonna start lifting it. You ready?
Yeah. Nice and easy and smooth. Just lift,
Ooh, it's
lift,
right at
lift,
the top of the mouth
lift,
too.
lift. Keep lifted. Got it.
You think that's 2 pounds?
Yeah, pound and a half.
Here we go. Here we go.
Fatty, 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 fatty. I'm gonna let him. You're gonna work that one out. Oh, I hope, man, that fish is thick. I hope y'all can see what this is on the camera.
He's flashing. Yep, this light.
Ooh.
I like to handle that. I'm going to go front here and check all the baits out. Make sure they're all good.
Swing that. We're gonna throw that one back. Come here, girl. Ooh. That was a good one. She gonna make it. Ooh.
Oh, that's a good one.
Hey, baby.
All right,
Hey, baby. Daddy love you, baby. Daddy love you. Come here, girl. Ooh, that's easy. 1.5 pounds plus. Look at that fat old belly on her, folks. Look at that fat old belly. That's what she hit. She hit this little road runner. Tip with a minnow. That's what we're working with. It's just a bunch of different color baits. That's why you use your net, ain't it?
As long as we're in the boat, we're good.
Well, I was looking, I was wondering that. See how fat they are? They ain't the longest, but they, goodness gracious, they built. That's the second one. Second one in a row they hit on this thing. What color is that?
That's a nice one. Got it. Beautiful, huh? That's a pretty
Now
one.
that looks more like a coney. See that skin?
Mm-hmm.
He took a shower this morning.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry. You got on? Bait on?
Yeah, had bait.
She ain't big, but she won. She's gonna throw you back.
Hello.
Yay, nay.
We're gonna throw it back.
Yeah, I'm about to throw this one back.
Say thanks. Thanks, Todd.
Oh, that's a nice fish. I'm about to throw it back all right.
Somebody's gonna have a nice fish sandwich with this one.
2 fish sandwiches, that one.
Yeah. I'm about to throw this one back. Oops, I mean in the live well.
You're going to throw it back here.
Back here, yeah, in the live well. Mmm. That's a fat fish, boy. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. They all looking like this, folks. They all looking like that. Big Shirleys, big Shirleys, big Shirleys.
Another gar on top of the water.
Oh.
You gotta look straight up, buddy. Straight up, straight up.
That
You
weight
want
on that. That weight on that. Hey, that weight getting to go on that boy.
You want them?
Wait a minute, hold on. Look, how big is that fish?
Probably 9.5.
She fat. We'll take her.
Hey, your bouginess is going away.
I drove 7 hours, man. She thick, you know. Simone Biles built. She might be short, but she thick.
Stocky.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Boy, you pushing off back in there, ain't you?
Might have been the one we just saw on the screen coming through. Start lifting. You ready?
No, that one ain't that big.
Male.
Come on, girl, get in there.
They say things come in threes.
I thought I had the hook out of it, but I didn't. That's a double right there. That's a double. This is a good fish.
Yeah.
And this will make it look small.
There's another one. You got another one.
Oh, you got another one up
Might have
here?
hit. He might have got off. Got
Which
it.
one? Bring them in here skiing there, Lamar. They skiing.
Hey, I'm a little worried about getting on there. Ain't got to ski in.
Got your gunshot?
Yeah. You lift them on out?
Yeah.
No. What's wrong with you?
Uh-oh, Cypress got one up front.
I got him. Nice one, too.
I can swing him.
Okay, yep.
Yeah. All right.
Look bigger than that at first.
Yep.
Oh, wow. I'm still, oh, that. No, I was still recording.
Hey.
He's
Hey,
gonna
I
need
got
a
a
bait.
mouthful.
Needs a bait.
Yeah, that was just some seasoning. They were like, oh, well, we used to the Cypress seasoning. What is this?
Yeah, I got a mouthful. You might clean that one and keep that one.
A double? Do I need to come through that same lane?
No, you should just come here up the back straight.
Hey, girl, come in here. We can throw her back. Look
You
at
got a
that.
hook right there. Got it.
Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Ain't she cute, folks? Well, here's what we doing. Go on out of here now. Get.
On the kid, too. I mean, Michael's on.
Right here, right here. Perfect.
Perfect timing.
Easy and smooth. Easy and smooth. Easy and smooth.
Can't ask for no more than that. That was wonderful.
The front, the rod, not your arm. There you go.
Kitty way back there.
Mm-hmm. She's decent.
Keep him in the water.
I'm trying to get him off, bro. I'll turn around when I'll turn around. You anxious? You being anxious?
No.
turn around. It looks better the other way.
I agree.
Yeah, I mean, it done warmed up.
I'm not.
Front left, front left.
I got this one. Hey, baby. These are some nice fish.
Second one on the left, on the front. Yep. Just one little, there goes, no, the slip off where they're going. There you go.
Oh, that's a good fish.
Probably another gar.
No, that was not a gar. Oh,
Huh?
there's a gar. Come on, baby. Don't cut it off. Don't cut it off. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Your teeth are way too sharp. You got to cut it. Got him?
Nice and smooth, buddy.
Water like that.
Look like a catfish. Might be. About 8 inches long. No, that's a crappie.
That's a crappie.
Didn't that look like a
It is.
catfish when it jumped?
The way it came out that water.
No. It's a keeper too, looks like. Don't lift it. Just lift up now. Let me get him in there. Yeah.
Right around here.
Ooh. It's weird. All of my good sized fish. Got a whole bunch of good sized fish in there. Big Shirley's, you already know. Give away to the captain.
That's big enough.
All right, YouTube, that's gonna do it for this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Y'all see, we got some of these big horses, these big Shirleys, down here on Lake Crescent. Captain Todd, appreciate you taking us out, man. We had a blast.
Yes, sir.
And tell them, what were we doing all day today? Trolling?
Catching them.
We were
Pushing and pulling.
pushing and pulling. Fresh.
Yes, sir. You see, I don't have to say no more.
Say no more. So folks, as always, thank you for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves those comments, and a special thank you to my subscribers. You already know what it is. To my long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead, click that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. The Crappie Authority. Catching more of these evil, but showing us takes to crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Goodbye. Later.
Well.